The WatchGas device link app and SST Dock can perform calibration and bump test on your SST devices, but a gas bottle has to be defined in the software first. For this configuration, you will need a mobile phone with the WatchGas device link app installed or a WatchGas SST Dock, and you will need a gas bottle. In order to configure your settings, navigate to Settings, then Gas Bottle List, and then Add Bottle. On this menu, you can configure the WatchGas device link app to use the gas bottle for the calibration of your unit. The data is read on the bottle itself, and if you have a new bottle with a QR code on its label, you can scan the code and the data will be immediately populated. When you are scanning the bottle with the dock, make sure you follow the instructions from the manual. 1. Ensure good lighting. 2. Hold the QR code parallel to the camera. Avoid scanning at the angle. 3. For optimal scanning distance, hold the bottle 15 to 20 centimeters or 6 to 8 inches away from the camera. 4. When positioned correctly, WatchGas app will recognize the QR code in about 1 second. Alternatively, you can enter the data yourself. Make sure to follow the text on the gas bottle label itself. For the bottle name, you can write anything that should indicate what bottle this is. We will name it 4-gas mix. For part number, fill in the field with the part code, which is C011917. For bottle type, select one of the bottle types that represent the size and capacity of the bottle as written on the bottle label. In this case, we select 8 AL cylinder. Now, we select the gases that our bottle contains. You can see all the concentrations of gases and their measurement units on the bottle label. Press Add Gas, then select the gas you need. We will choose carbon monoxide. Change the concentration so that it fits the value written on the bottle. We will delete 100 and write 50. After that, check the measurement unit. The value is ppm as written on the bottle, so we can leave it like that. Remember that the measurement units do not automatically convert when changed, so make sure your numbers are correct after changing it. If you made a mistake during the gas selection process, you can remove your gas by pressing the red minus button. The steps will be similar for our next gas. Just make sure to change 25 ppm into 15 ppm for H2S. For methane, things are a bit different. On the bottle you can see that it shows 2.5%, and when the gas is selected, measurement unit shows LEL and gives the default value of 50%. Methane is an explosive gas, and LEL, the lower explosive limit, is the minimum concentration of a combustible gas or vapour in air, expressed as a percentage by volume that can ignite or explode. It is calculated with the following formula. For methane, 100 LEL would be 5%, and if we calculate it, we should write down 50. For oxygen, we followed the same procedure as for H2S and CO. You can also see on the bottle that nitrogen is used as a balance gas, but we do not write that information. If you were using CO2 for zero calibration, toggle Use for CO20. For gas precision, it shows the deviation from the expected value during the calibration. On our bottle, it is not mentioned, so we write 10 for 10%. For lot number, we write down the lot number from the bottom right corner, which is WO4113446-1. The expiry date, we write down from the bottle label, which is July 31st, 2025. Note that you cannot save into configuration bottles that have already expired. Now that we have filled in all the details, we can save the bottle. The bottle can be seen in Gas Bottle List with the name we gave it. We can set the bottle on our ports on docks, which you can see how to do in some other video, or you can select it after pressing Calibration on the WatchGas device link app.